Welcome to Lucky Wheels. The pickup truck lost control and swerved into the opposite lane at high speed. In the moment, the car lost its brakes, leading to a loss of control and crashing into the oncoming truck. Many extraordinary moments make this video unforgettable. It was created for educational purposes and includes substantial original commentary. Let's get it on.
Oh my God.
Maintain a safe following distance behind the vehicle, in front of you to allow for adequate reaction time. Don't tailgate. What a mess. Hope everyone is fine. For me, incidents are inevitably the result of exceeding the speed limit and over-competes. Bro, stop making people uncomfortable in that way. Maintain a safe distance and not procrastinate until last moment to start applying your brakes. The brake system didn't work. Anyway, he did a good job. Please be careful on rainy days. Everyone, drive safely. And the driver was definitely distracted. At least there were no collisions. Now the driver made a mistake with her foot on the gas. Glad no one was seriously injured. Oh my, what is going on? Stay safe out there, man. Thought he was able to get up. The best result in this situation. Whoops, stay safe out there, folks. Please slow down on narrow roads. What is going on? Hope all of them are all right. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Always stay focused on the road as well. Do not take your mind off the road ahead. Please avoid lingering in a truck's blind spot. Either pass quickly or stay a safe distance behind. Please slow down when you're on the road.
Oh my God.
Stay safe out there, y'all.
Oh my God.
All I can say is drive carefully. You never know when you encounter a distracted driver. Thankfully, it wasn't worse. Stay safe on snowy roads, guys. Oh my God! What's wrong with him? Please be careful. Remember to wear seatbelts and avoid reckless driving. Oh dear, stop completely at red lights, man. It's your turn to yield. Thank you for watching videos from start to finish. Share your favorite moment in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. See you next video.